Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy 82. Long time. Yeah, been crazy busy with work and a lot of things going on, but yeah, and also a little frustration with Helium, it having this blockchain being halted. You know, the rewards are all a bit more screwed up, and things are just not what it used to be with Helium, but well, in it for the long run. That's why we invest into Helium. But yeah, huge surprise. Something came in, but before I mention this, this item came in. I was super excited about it, and then once it came in, someone stole it. So now I have to wait for file a police report, get in touch with UPS for them to have to do their investigation before I'm able to get another one sent out to me. So today, something came in, and I'm gonna show you. What could it be? What? FreedomFi, yes. FreedomFi. You know what it is? The Helium 5G. Just received it today. I'm super excited about this. Yeah, it came in around November, but they stole it. So just got another one. Got it. This is the unboxing of the FreedomFi. This is the unboxing of the FreedomFi. Nicely packed. Okay, so this is the okay. An antenna, power source. This a minor mic. So this is it, the one and only. So after the long wait, it's finally here. Comes with the antenna, power source, some screws, and the mounting device. So here it is. Alright guys, there goes the unboxing of the one and only. Later on I will plug it up and take it for a spin, aka see how it operates. And that was just a quick one, guys. Just wanted to show you. It's been a while. I haven't shot any video. Just busy, and with all the headaches that comes along with the whole helium, I just took a little break. But I'm back. I'm back. All right, everyone, guys. Yeah, stress less, think positive. We're gonna make a lot of videos this coming new year. All right. If you haven't bought any helium, you should. It's really low. The price is very low right now, so you should buy it and get in at the fun. All right, guys. Stress less, think positive. Yep. Peace, peace, peace. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.